Quality control cells assess the quality of the parts that are manufactured during the production flow, detecting possible anomalies in both geometry and welding points. The orchestrator is in charge of diverting the parts from the production flow to the quality cell, following the implemented control plan. Their design is based on the same concepts as the assembly cells: flexibility, modularity, and mobility.
Hemos integrado la célula de calidad dentro del flujo productivo con un concepto de instalación similar al de ensamblado, donde realizamos control geométrico y control de calidad de puntos de soldadura de manera automática y no destructiva. Adicionalmente, hemos desarrollado un concepto de maqueta flexible con diversos elementos comunes a varias referencias, como la plataforma y las columnas.
With other specific elements, the model is configured for different parts, assembled in an automated way within each quality control installation. The control of the production tools is also integrated into the flow to reinforce the quality of the production process. The quality controls and other parameters acquired in the flow are the data used for the quality predictive models for the manufactured products. By means of artificial intelligence, the necessary actions are generated with the aim of eliminating possible manufacturing defects.